sunny treat. C is for carrots, orange and bright. D is for dates, a natural bite. E is for eggs, they help you grow. F is for fish, strong muscles show. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for honey, nature's sweet dream. I is for iceberg, cool, crisp and light. J is for juice, fresh fruit, just right. K is for kale, leafy and strong. L is for lentils, energy all day long. M is for milk, it makes bones tough. N is for nuts, a handful's enough. O is for oranges, juicy and round. P is for peas that jump from the ground. Q is for quinoa, tiny and neat. R is for rice, a filling treat. S is for spinach, packed with power. T is for tomatoes, red like a flower.